Welcome back to the KBCC Garage.
Hi, I'm Mark Atwood, and thank you for tuning into the KBCC Garage. I'm alone today in the garage because I'm here for one purpose, for the quick reveal of the 2025 USACC Group Build 1968 Dart. As you can see, the shop is completely empty. We don't even have the car here, but we are going to bring it in for you to see. We're calling this one Trouble. That damn dart has been terrorizing this town.
Yeah, it's been causing nothing but trouble.
Yeah, burnouts up and down the street. Yeah, I called the cops. I think they're gonna be closing in pretty soon.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
Let's get that car.
Burnouts and reckless driving. We'll throw the book at you.
Yeah, your days of running and ripping are over.
Well, that really is cool.
Deputy,
Yes, Sheriff?
shut your trap, son.
Yes, sir.
How do we catch you anyway? Been running and ripping for days.
I ran out of gas.
Well, thank goodness for thirsty Hemis.
Well, folks, this is it. The 2025 USACC Group Build 1968 Dart, aka Trouble. This 68 Dart was a heck of a lot of fun to work on. A big thanks to Kim over at Kim's Custom Garage and to Lucas C. and Mark Batson for putting this on every year. Stay tuned for the build breakdown with KB. Take care.
Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing to the KBCC Garage.
Stay out of trouble!
Can't promise that.